You might think your sales reps don't want to follow the process. You might have even said something like that, but the data disagrees. The number one reason reps skip the process is that managers don't enforce it. It's not apathy, it's not resistance. Enforcement. Your reps are not the problem, the system around them is. And the system actually looks like this. Managers with 1 to 5 reps get 44% higher adherence. The second you cross to 6 to 8 reps, that drops to 15%. Not because the manager got worse at their job. There's just a hard physical limit on how many people one person can actually inspect, coach, or follow up with in a week. It's a capacity problem.
Like half of my time in general was going into this process was wrong. They're inputting the information here, but it should be there. And it's honestly a really big time suck.
One more, 30% of respondents don't even know their rep ramp time, which means they're not tracking it, and that means they're guessing. And teams that don't track ramp time hit high quota at half the rate of teams that do. Your reps want to run the play. They just need a system that makes it impossible to miss. Not a manager who's already managing 12 other fires.